all the way down here, going up there.
Go back to the left when it comes up there. Dandan. Hop! Nasabit to eh. Yeah! Go! 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 Woo! There you go. Yeah, thanks, Snyder.
Let's fill gas in the meantime. So why stop at 48? I put 100. Extra. Thank you. This is we call extra gas. Our backup for gas, just in case. So I have this empty. And these two. This is done. Turning left to Agassiz. We're heading to the town of Agassiz. So I just pulled over for now here to deflate to 20 psi and doing some thing today. So this truck are heading are going so do you want to go farther? Okay, break your suspension, better deflate. I'm just saying. It's really quiet today, so we can see. So my friends, as you can see, I know this a little bit waste of time, but I suggest you to deflate a little bit. The road is not too bad, but if you want a smooth ride like what I said, you have to deflate at least up to 25 psi. While driving, you can hear all my small tools, my eyeglasses just by the windshield on top of my dash. So if you don't want any noise like this, you better clear off your dash. And that's a good idea. So I just pulled over a little bit on this nice lookout here. Yeah, look at this. Let's go farther a little bit so we can see some nice view here. See the nice lake. This is called the Cogburn Beach Lake. This is a hidden paradise. And on the other side of these trees, forest, there's another lake up there, as you can see. So it's just side by side. And then if you go in between this forest, right, there are these waters, and there's a lake here as well. Okay, so now the time check is already 9 o'clock, and I think I have to go ahead now. So the trail is a little quiet and silent, not too much off-roaders or cars passing at the moment. But I'm pretty sure when I get there at the campsite, maybe a 25 kilometer more, I'm pretty sure it's all packed up. It's all packed with tons of campers. Okay, see you in a bit, my friends. Nice in the morning. We're all here. Party. Mga kabayan. Na yung mga kabayan dito ah. So we are maybe around 100 meters on top of the mountain. You can see behind these trees are the lake. So we have to go ahead and safe drive. Going up. Now we are going inside this trail here. We don't know if my cousin is here. I see some trucks here. Fresh car. I can see a river down there. I see a nice one, a nice spot here. There's a little bunk house here, and then this is a nice campsite too. I like this area. It's very peaceful. It's nobody here right now. Maybe they are farther, but I recommend this area. You can do fishing here. It's nice. So I just stopped by the bridge and I see this nice calm creek here. It's nice maybe to take a bath or shower here, you know, like a giant tub. There's something there too on the other side. Okay, let's go ahead for our adventure. So I am now on the third exit entrance for the campground. It's a little bit bumpy here, but we'll see what is out there. Like what I said, only lifted trucks could get here because due to the washouts. So let's see what is out here. Maybe Elvis is here. We'll see. No idea. It's very quiet right now here. I see some campers here. What can we see here? Who are the people here? Let's see. Alright. So we are here. Let's see if Elvis is here. It's been mo sa dagat? May nahuli ka ba?
Ihaw ko na yung nahuhuli.
Ha?
Ihaw ko na yung nahuhuli ko.
Anong masasabi mo sa campsite natin ngayon?
The best man.
The best man. Ano ba yung mga nakikita mo ngayon dito?
Daming inihaw na tilapia, inintak na tilapia.
Yan.
Kahit anong klaseng tilapia meron.
Meron ng tilapia.
Oo.
Anything. Ano ngayon ang plano mong lutuin? Do you think, is there any dish you are going to do today? Gonna make?
Inihaw na pampano.
Oh,
Pampano.
Pampano.
Pampanoot.
Okay, this is my cousin Elvis setup today. Whole house. Look at this.
Full house, boy.
Gazebo, full kitchen, full dining, and a washroom and a cubicle, any temperature, any environment tent, orange, and a very sophisticated truck right here, and need really as a what do you call this, an upgrade, right? But he did the first upgrade on his tire. At least it's all terrain. And Prinso, one day it will be 6-inch lift. We see some campers around too. That is only my simple setup as usual, and let's just enjoy the beach. Oh, the water is very quiet today. It's very peaceful. No much wind. Is that Jenkins? So,
dito, ha?
these are my family.
Papia from Philippines.
Yeah, Opia. I drove 3 hours. They give me Opia.
No, show the barbecue there. Malagkit kayo of Auntie Josie. Yeah.
So this is the outcome.
No, kain ako. Where? That's the food.
So it's fun here.
Hindi, hindi lang kanin tatilda. May kanin ka, magsaing ako. May kami saing. Kaya pamaya na lang. May kanin pa. Okay, hindi pa pa rin ang food kayo. Saka yung mga bata na. Sabi nila, walang kain.
I haven't eaten. I'm hungry. We have some pork coming down here. I'm gonna turn on my 712 watt-hour ampere.
Wow!
With 600 watts only.
Wow!
I'm not promoting the the brand, but if you use that, you have to turn it on. Yeah.
Uy, ano yan?
It's up power. This thing you can power up your rice cooker, your fridge, your cooler, your what do you call that? Your electric cooler with this power bank, giant power bank right here. You know, I advise you to get one of these too. This will help out a lot for your accessories and appliances outdoors. So my cousin is planning to buy a Bluey T or Jackery. What do you think, Explorer? What kind of What kind of
Oh yeah, this one is really good.
really good? Yeah.
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 Can you drop it?
You can cook rice. You could run a rice cooker, right? Your electric cooler if you need some power. Your phone, your cell phone, your mini electric fan or anything. It's very cheap too, and it's made in Canada. Just to let you know, it's made in Canada.
It's not made in.
China. Shenzhen. Not made in Shenzhen.
Talaga naman. Kompleto.
What is that guy over there? Drunkaholic. Drunkaholic. But I adore my cousin because with the brand new fucking truck right here, brand new truck.
Red Horse is life.
Yeah, whole
Red Horse
with
is life.
he's the most sophisticated tent all over the place with a washroom and rice cooker and power bank. How
Is this really a camping or what?
This is a technology, you know, technology camping and with what the fuck is this thing? Turbo shit?
Turbo water
Boiler.
boiler.
Turbo,
Boiler.
yeah. The whole with tank everything. If you go camping, you have to be equipped. You must have a brand new truck to avoid this get stranded along the road, right? You know, the only problem with this truck is a winch, just in case. But the engine, tire is good, everything.
Asa si Jong? Sa'yo mo payong.
Ikaw Nilda.
This is the who is this? Who is this funny little thing
Yeah,
here?
this is my queen kung
There's the Ira there, the Myra. There you go. With Nyog. They're having fun right now. Everybody has his own
dito.
thing right now.
Ah.
So right now we're having a barbecue. While the sun is up, then we have to do something.
Nang ano?
Nang type ka mo kanina.
Oh.
Oh, yan mainit.
Is that the one with the ano? No.
Ay, remote?
May type pa.
Hindi ba yun yung yung naggaganon siya? Hindi pa. Ay, ano lang siya, joystick lang. Stick lang. Yeah. Pero maganda siya yung alam mo yung naggaganon siya sa pam-vlogging yung naglalaro. Yung mga $300 na anong tawag doon minsan yung mga stick na ganyan. Yung pwedeng pam-vlog yung naggaganon, anti-shock.
Yung selfie stick.
Yeah. Yung mahal ba, yung kahit you go run and it won't give you a negative effect. Do you know what's this? This is for that. This is how you open it, you know. Oh, by the way, Red Horse, baka naman.
Ano para pagbukas? Uy, bukas.
What the fuck? This is real. There you go. Everybody is busy right now. Everyone is cooking. Actually, during camping time, all we have to do is sit, relax, and eat. That's it. That's what we have to do. And then all we have to do is, boy, what you looking, boy? Okay, there's another girl there, but it's not our thing today. But we have to look our friends right here. They're having fun.
Lampot dagiti kuan.
Our doggy is now in the cage because he's playing too much, roving around.
Kasta kuan.
We're having fun today. We have a fucking ATV
Alam mataas ang
on the water. Let's go, man.
Guys,
Yeah.
alam taas ang matay pa mo kita.
And the little dog.
Ay mata.
Of course.
We have the Red Horse Extra Strong Beer. My friend, kasi ganito lang kasi ginagawa natin. Kasi pag nag-happy-happy tayo, happy-happy, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Pag nag-relax.
Pitbull na ito, boy. Aglakjo ata.
Oh yeah.
Aglakjo.
At this moment, it's dinner time. Everybody is start eating their dinner, and at the same time, as you can see, it's also windy in the afternoon. And because we are close by the lake, so we are all absorbing all the wind blows into our camp. So I don't usually prefer near the lake. It is sometimes better to stay off the lake, maybe a little bit like 20 to 30 meters away. At least it's comfortable while you are sitting, relaxing, or also while you are having your dinner or your snack. So sometimes I don't open up my awning. It is not advisable to open the spread your awnings, especially when it's windy, because there is a possibility that you will break the braces of your awnings. So it's better not to do it. I hope you have enjoyed watching my video, and I hope that you have also found or got some ideas and where and what to do during this camping season when it's like hot, windy, and like anything else that you could do and what to bring during this time of season. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will follow and subscribe so that you can see more videos that I am going to upload, and more videos to come. At this moment, I am 40 kilometers away to the main road, and it will take me 30 to 40 minutes to get there. As we arrived at town, then I have to inflate my tires to 35 psi at least before heading to the highway, and it will take me only 15 minutes to do this. Then I will leave the place. am on Trans-Canada Highway heading west to Vancouver between Fraser Highway and Mount Lehman. My tire just blew off. Yes, this is what happened today here. So my tire exploded. Right now I have to jack it and I'm waiting for the help of the BCE. I hope the truck will be here as soon as possible. But now I am along the highway and I hope I'm safe, but okay, I'm just waiting for the help. I'll get out here to be safe. It's already almost 12 a.m. and we are waiting for the help on the way. Time check, it's already past 1 a.m. and finally we are safe to go home. I have my 2 tires ready to install. I have the 2, one is broke, one is already garbage, and the other one is blown off. It's blown up last Saturday. Very good. So now I brought in my truck at Caltar. Caltar the best. They were able to install my tire, my bedlock rims. So it's great here. So this is my tire. It's already on. So they managed to do it. It's good stuff. So this is Caltar. Yeah. They can do my rims for your information. Good service. We have the equipment here. They have a nice equipment and I'm happy. Good job. The best.